Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched best meme coin here. This meme coin is very unique and can be the next $1 billion market meme coin because friends this is XRP's ecosystem meme coin, the first XRP ecosystem meme coin. So that's why this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin, and it's also possible that we can see its listing on tier 1 also. Like right now only one central exchange has listed this coin, and maybe we can see its listing on many other major central exchanges. So why this meme coin is very amazing and can be the next $1 billion market meme coin, I will share you all further details here, so you have to just for the complete here. But friend, before that, if you like my content and if you wanna support Sky Crypto channel, then I provide these all my crypto addresses links in description, and also my Telegram channel. You have to just join my Telegram channel and you can copy these addresses. You can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coin. Just like I share you to many meme coins with you, and right now they are in massive pump here. And Maga Trump, I already share you that meme coin did no drag that will pump huge again, and so right now Maga Trump is more than 60% pump, currently trading on $2.7 here. So if you also not miss any 1000x potential meme coin, you have to support Sky Crypto channel. Friends, Phoenix's name 0.4 times $0.71 current price, dropped by almost 7% last 24 hours, and in last 7 days 25% dump here. But its current market cap is already $38 billion. So this is amazing, $38 million market cap, and listed on just two central exchanges. $673 million trading, 630 $673,000 trading volume last 24 hours. So this is amazing. 590 589 589 billion coin supply and all in circulations. This is good that there's no more token left to come in circulation in future. Most amazing thing and very unique thing about this meme coin is this. You can see friends, XRP layer block. Most unique thing about this meme. Most unique thing about this meme coin is that you can see friends, this XRP ecosystem meme coin. That's why this meme coin is very, very unique. You can see XRP scan. So that's why this is amazing that only XRP is ecosystem meme coin, $38 million market cap. So this is good. Yeah, only 40 Stress Phoenix snaps 0.4 times $0.71 current price. The drop almost 7% last 24 hours, and in 7 days 25% dump here. $38 million market cap. So this is awesome. That newly launched meme coin, $38 million market cap, $300,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is good because only MEXC is listed this meme coin. 589 billion coin supply, all in circulation. Supply is good and all in circulation. There's no more token left to come in circulation in future. XRP ecosystem meme coins. So that's why friends, this meme coin is very, very unique because in crypto market we saw many blockchains meme coin hype just like Solana, Sui, BNB, Ethereum, but now XRP is also having a meme coin, so it's possible that we can see XRP coin boom, and after that we can see a massive boom in this meme coin price also. This meme coin can also skyrocket here for 3% down this all time high though 8 days ago, and we are on this all time low right now where from we are only 12% up. There was 16 hours ago, so right now this coin is in massive jump here. FS60 MEX is the only central exchange where this coin is listed, but right now this is listed on Bitmart. Also, I think Bitmart is also listed, but this note is still updated here. But Bitmart has also listed this coin because, friends, this is the only XRP's high market cap meme coin, so that's why it's amazing. You can check out all further details here. You can see, friends, listed on CoinMarketCap, DAX Tools, CoinMarketCap, CoinGo, and buy on DEXs. So you can also buy from XRP's taxes listed in Bitmart, MEXE, and many other major centralized exchanges will definitely list this coin because of its unique thing that this is only our XRP's ecosystem meme coin. This is amazing. You can check out all memes here. Memes are looking good. So that's why this coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. And it's also possible that we can see tier 1 listing also. After 60, more than 3,000 people has already added this coin to their watch list into their favorite cryptocurrencies on CoinGo. So this is amazing, and After I think it's launched, this meme coin is trading on Coin Market and also on CoinGecko. So that's why community support this meme coin really amazing. And now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as its current market is $38 million. But friends, because as I already told you, this is XRP's ecosystem meme coin, so it's definitely possible we can see its market in $1 billion this year mega balloon. I think we can see its market up to maybe $3 to $5 billion after 8 to 10 months from now. It's possible that this coin Phoenix can be the next $1 billion market meme coin. And it's also possible that we can see many major central exchange listing that maybe in short term we can see its listing in Gaz.io, KuCoin. These type of central exchanges can list soon this coin, but it's also possible that we can see its listing on Binance Coinbase. Okay, maybe after coming few months here. What do you think? Do you think this meme coin has potential to be the next $3 to $5 billion or not? Okay, must comment down below.